So guys, let's welcome Dr. Christina Artini, who is Director of National College. And as you can see, she is sitting beside me and she will be telling us about programs of National College and fee structure or the facilities which is being provided by National College. So, hi Dr. Christina, so we welcome you to our channel. And as we know, you are Director of National College, so can you just tell us about the programs of National College which we are offering?
Yes, thank you for having me. It's a great pleasure to meet your applicants, your potential, our potential students.
Yes.
We're very proud of our brand new college. We have 3 exciting programs. These are programs that have been around for a while, but they come with a twist. They take into consideration the changes in the job market, the changes in the academics. So we have project management, which is a 1-year program. Normally project management is developed for engineers, for example. They specialize on one profession. Our project management addresses all graduates of all kinds of bachelor degrees. So this is a skill set that you attach to your qualification, and having project management as a skill is something that employers are looking forward today. So this is where is our difference, our take on the program. We have Entrepreneurship in Technology, a 2-year program, which again, you know, a lot of people know IT, a lot of people make money with IT, but very few people know how to make the big money with IT. You have great ideas, but you always end up working for someone else, and you don't know how to found your own company, or you have great ideas, but you don't know how to monetize them. There's a lot going on in the digital world, in the technology world, and our program marries the business side with the IT side, and hopes that talented people will make the best of these 2 very important disciplines.
That's good.
It is a unique program, it doesn't exist.
Yes, so we will be teaching you guys to be an entrepreneur in the line of IT. And what is the 3rd program which we are offering?
It's network management. This is actually a very much in-demand career, especially since COVID. Managing networks, computer networks has become such a big deal. Maybe we knew that our lives were online, we didn't realize how much. Right now we're aware that a lot more than we imagined is actually happening online. So just for Montreal only, there's thousands of jobs in the IT sector, and the majority of them are in the network management area. So we're answering a local, but also I believe a global demand for this profession. And our 2-year program comes with an internship. So as you know, Montreal is an IT hub. There's a lot of companies, and we're in talks to have agreements so our students can go and do real internships in real companies, big companies. So when they finish, they can actually show prospective employers that not only they know the theory, but they have also experience in a company, and they know how to apply the standards and follow the guidelines and everything, how it is done in Canada, how it is done in Montreal. So we're very happy with this program. The 2-year programs, they give you a 3-year post-graduation work permit, which means they have time, our students have time to find the full-time job, to work for a year, and if they like Montreal, they can decide to apply for the residence. The project management is a 1-year program. Why? First of all, because it's an advanced degree, what in Ontario would be called either an advanced degree or a postgraduate degree. Quebec doesn't make this difference in terms of the terms they use, but when it comes to requirements, you can see the difference. So the 2-year programs are for high school graduates, while the project management is for college graduates in both sense. So either a technical college or a college in the American sense, a bachelor's degree. So we're expecting at least 600 hours of higher education, or in the case of mature students, we expect 5 years or more of relevant work experience.
Okay. so that's good. And are we guys providing internships in our courses?
No, we have projects and practicum set up, and we will have guest speakers and some smaller events organized over the weekends so that the students can get to know employers or specialists in various domains. But the only program that is actually what would be a co-op program in other provinces, so with the real internship, is the network management.
Okay, and what are the fee structure of these courses?
So the project management, the one-year program is 14,500, the full program, including tuition fees, health insurance, the free rental of a laptop for the duration of the studies. While network management and entrepreneurship, they are very close to $25,000 for the 2 years, including the admin fees, including health insurance for 2 years. So everything is covered. The students don't need to be worried about this because one of the requirements for the visa is actually to have health insurance. And we're working with great providers. We've signed agreements and we've partnered with payment systems, with health insurance. Everything is done with an eye on the fact that we're going to be a big college.
That's good. And you will be a big college, and it is already a big college, as we have already shown you the campus. So, Dr. Christina, there are many schools over here in Montreal who are offering these kind of courses in the market of India and Southeast Asia. So what exactly makes a difference for National College for our students? Why they should choose National College?
Well, the first one is, as I mentioned already, our programs are the programs that are sought after, but they are new, so they are adapted to the current realities of the market, and in terms of academics, they are quite contemporary with what is happening in these domains. Another way in which we want to stand out, and this is why I'm mentioning that we've signed great partnerships to offer the best to our students, is the student services. So we want to be champions. We want to be the best in the way we receive the students, we treat the students, in the opportunities the students have in their extracurricular activities, in the life outside the college, not just inside the college. So we have state-of-the-art facilities, we have excellent teachers with experience abroad, with intercultural expertise, with master's degrees. So we keep everything at a higher quality because we know we're going to be big.
You will be big. So as you guys can see, we have covered most of the questions which you guys asked us about the College National. So we will be putting a link for the College National in the description below. And if you have more questions, you can comment us, and you can also contact our offices in India, as we already told you that we have offices in Jalandhar and Amritsar. So you guys can visit us at any time, any day. And moreover, we are putting some more information about the courses and the fee exactly in the description below, so you guys can check on that, and you guys can share us on your platform. You can share us with your friends. If you like the video, hit like button and add some comments below. Thank you.